Hey dorks, I've been craving sushi a lot lately. I'm on kind of a diet, both with calories and money. So I thought, what better food than sushi? And plus I have all these weird ingredients that I'd like to try in the sushi. So today, and this one's probably going to be tasty, we're going to do dips. Dips and spreads, basically. The first one is spinach dip. Seriously, this is probably going to be good. I should note that I'm not going to be using soy sauce or wasabi because it would probably ruin the dips. And I'm also not going to use any rice vinegar in the rice, mostly because I just don't have any, but also because I think it would also ruin the dips. Anyways, the second dip is artichoke and Asiago. This one will probably be good as well. Probably one of the dips that I'm not so sure about is hummus. Hummus is very delicious, but I'm not so sure it'll go in sushi too well. But that's what we're here to find out. And the last one is not really a dip, it's more of a spread. Cream cheese. This is probably not going to go well in the sushi. By the way, Philadelphia, urban garlic, cream cheese. The herb you have here is parsley. Why just parsley? I mean, if you want to make this tastier, I would put dill in here. Put some dill in your urban garlic cream cheese spread. Okay, so that's enough of the intro. Let's get to making the sushi. See ya! Hey dorks, I'm back from making the sushi, obviously. And here it is. This one, kind of messy. So yeah, either my knife is dull, or it's the new kind of nori that I'm trying. Because it just seems more difficult than usual to cut. So anyways, let's just get right down to it. And of course, not going to dip it in soy sauce, because that's going to ruin everything. Is this the cream cheese? Yeah, let's save that one for last. And this one is hummus. All right, so let's give the hummus a try. Not too bad. Honestly, it is a little dry. Maybe it should have used some dipping. I don't know. Whatever. Maybe after the video I'll make some soy sauce. Well, not make the soy sauce, just put soy sauce in the dip thingy. Add some wasabi. No, no wasabi. And whatever. I believe this is artichoke and Asiago. Yeah, well, let's give it a try. You could obviously see my reaction there. It did not work out. The Asiago and artichoke dip does not work with sushi. And this one, I believe, is the spinach dip. Okay, I had my hopes up for this one. Let's hope it's good. No, again, these are all dry. I need the soy sauce. These definitely need a soy sauce. But, you know, it's a little better than the artichoke and Asiago, the spinach dip. But it's still, whatever. Okay, as you saw, I put some extra dill in the cream cheese. Because, seriously, just parsley as an herb? That's so boring, right? So, let's try it. Cream cheese with dill. Okay. That one was... It was better than the spinach dip, but not as good as the hummus. And actually, I don't think the cream cheese one should go with the soy sauce. So I'm not going to be dipping that one in the soy sauce. So, okay, by ranking, yeah, by ranking, number 4 would be the artichoke and Asiago. Number 3 would be the spinach dip. Number 2 would be the cream cheese and dill. And number 1 would be the hummus. And overall, they're okay. They're nothing special. Nothing, obviously sushi is meant for either fish or some kind of meat, or in my case, and everyone who is a vegetarian, veggies. But yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get some soy sauce and I'm gonna nibble on these throughout the day. So don't forget to hug a femboy today. Bye bye.